Every once in a while, there's a product that comes along that reinvents or makes it better. And this nail clipper by EDJY is no exception. I'm gonna show you really quick how awesome this nail clipper is. I never thought I'd actually hear that sentence come out of my mouth, because as I was a kid, I've used the same nail clipper over and over and over. But you see this nail clipper, right? It's not that hard, but where the genius comes in is it actually gives you a stopper right here. It stops it, so you get the perfect cut every time. You know, you've done that in your life where you've cut that fingernail deeper than you should have, and then it takes a couple weeks before it grows back and it actually feels normal again. You can just go all the way. So you go 1, 2, and 3. Now the thing that you notice right out of the gate with every single nail that I've ever cut is how smooth this is. I don't have to file anymore. I mean, my wife did. I never filed. But they will never snag on the bed sheets anymore. They're not gonna scrape or cut my wife when I try to hold her hand. That's probably more the exciting part. So welcome to the future with this new nail clipping style by EDJY. It's so easy to clip your nails. You can do it over and over and over. Oh, and by the way, your clippings get stored right here. How cool is that?